Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that each active member of my team also receives card kits of the month for just being on the team. So if you're a customer of mine and think you may miss out on this customer perk by signing up for the starter kit, don't worry. Actually, team members get treated like VIPs by me and get quite a few additional perks. If you've been thinking about joining up for the best deal Stampin' Up can offer, like a continuing 20% discount, purchasing products before they're released to the public, and access to a whole lot of free inspiration, please consider joining my team. I will leave a link in the description box below. Let's get into the card design. For the base, I am using gray granite cardstock, one of my favorite neutrals. The matte is Pretty Peacock. I'm so happy that that color came back. And here I am using Seal Plus, which is my favorite adhesive, on that little strip of designer series paper called Masterfully Made. And I wanted to feature DSP for this card kit because there's a sale going on for the designer series paper. It's 15% off select DSP, and this is one of them. I checked. There is an embossed part of this white card and a solid part of this card. So I put the strip of DSP on first, then I'm going to ink up the thank you sentiment, and I'll show you which stamp set that comes from at the end. Love the font, love how simple it is. Whatever stamp you want to use, you go right ahead. This is your card kit. You can do what you like. Of course, if you shop with me, you get these two card kits to put together, and you get envelopes as well. And I just didn't show that in the video. So I'm trimming off the excess of the DSP called Masterfully Made. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. I'm also featuring all the pages, or most of the pages, on my blog so that you can get a really good look at this paper because it's phenomenal. I can't tell you how excited I am to have the Pretty Peacock cardstock back. Sadly, not a cardstock sale, but it's a delightful color. It's one of my favorite colors. It reminds me of the waters in Greece. A nice, deep, rich, dark blue. Anyway, I am matting the embossed, and that embossing folder is called the 3D Basics embossing folder. It's just a lovely texture, but it gives a little bit of zhuzh to the card. I put dimensional adhesive on the back, so Stampin' Dimensionals. And of course, I'm going to make sure, because it's such a simple card, I'm going to make sure that all four sides are nice and equal and it is nice and straight on the card. It's the worst thing when you see a simple card and then it's crooked. So just take your time if you choose to get this card kit. And simply, you just need to use the host code for this month and you'll get it. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, for thumbs upping, for subscribing. And I will see you soon with the Crafting at the Lake House series. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.